Hi, I'm Sarah, CEO at Foodbank Queensland. On behalf of all the flood-affected communities you have helped, thank you. In early March, Foodbank Queensland launched a flood appeal to help get emergency food and drinking water to Queenslanders in desperate need. Thanks to the generosity of our supporters, truckloads of essential food has been distributed in March. Food has gone to every flood-affected region, including the Gold Coast, Brisbane, Gympie, Maryborough, Gatton, Laidley, Logan, Nanango and Ipswich, all to bring hope to Queensland flood victims who have lost everything. Our thoughts are with all of those that have been affected by these devastating floods. During these times of crisis, we are so grateful to have such an incredible community working together to support Queenslanders in desperate need. We know flood recovery will take many months, and sadly for some, it will take many years. As Queensland's largest and most connected hunger relief charity, Foodbank will continue working hard with our member charities to distribute even more food and essential groceries to the impacted regions across our state. Thank you again for your continued support during these difficult times. We couldn't help so many Queenslanders in need without you. Thank you.